Stop by and take a look at the 2022 Yukon. Peace of mind comes standard with GMC's powertrain warranty and Yukon's 5-star frontal crash test rating. Boasting a Vortec 5.3-liter V8 with active fuel management, flex fuel, Yukon is agile and capable. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: towing package, running boards, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, headlights auto off, remote trunk release, mirror memory, mirrors power, passenger. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.